Skillbyte here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take these effective but boring sunshades to fun shades. Alright, so the beauty of this is, one, it's pretty cheap. Two, you can put whatever design on them you want. You're just limited by your creativity and your ability to paint. But it's not that hard. I'll show you how. All this is painted sunshade. You can put whatever design you want on yours, and just think what you could do on a big SUV sunshade. All right, the way you do it is first you want to kind of sketch out what you're wanting to paint. When you figure out what you want, get your colors right. In our case, we wanted black, blue, and white. And we're just leaving the silver here. You could paint all of that if you want. And we bought fabric paint. This particular stuff is used a lot when you're painting tennis shoes. Flexible acrylic paint for leather, vinyl, and canvas satin finish. $2.99 at Hobby Lobby. So it's not too bad. Put it in like a plastic plate. You'll want something behind it, cardboard or something, in case the paint goes through. The lighter the color, the more coats you need. Of course, you'll need some paint brushes. Oh, and you might want to make a stencil that you can lay out on the shade and even put it in the vehicle. Get an idea of the sizing and how it'll look, and you can, you know, it's a lot easier to modify the stencil than it is to repaint. So get the stencil kind of how you want it, and obviously the stencil was a little smaller than what we ended up painting because it looked better with the larger eyes. But that's really all there is to it. I mean, you know, you'll have to paint it. So if you're not a great painter, you may want to keep it a little simple, but you could do text, you know, pictures, eyes, whatever you want on yours. And it's fairly cheap and very individualized. So it could be very unique to you. All right. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.